Thank you for watching Chef and Knife. And today is basically just a roundup. I had three kind of steel, right? Three. I didn't ever show you, right? I do have three kind of steel. Uh, it's been more than 10 years. It's been with me. These are Victorinox, three of them, but it's been very old. This steel is very old. So let's start today about some equipments which is very good if you are in home. You need only one steel, right? I do have three, but that's me. You need only one steel. It makes your knife sharp. It will give a knife a good edge. That's what this steel do. Steel never sharp your knife, so it will remain, your knife will remain sharp. So steel never sharp your knife, stone sharp your knife. Do have a global sharpening material. Bought it around 2010, so more than 9 years. It's a good one. If you're looking to buy a good zester, right? Buy any kind of zester, but have to be a good one. It will save you money, right? A good zester will save you money. And a zester. Tool equipments, zester. Every home need a good zester. And if you need oil pour, right? This, I don't know how many people are using it, but I do have 6 or 7 kind of oil dispenser. So I use this for my oil and the wine. It's a very good material for pouring your oil or wine. Heat kind of spatula which can stand heat around 300. So I bought this from the market, but there are few websites which sell these kind of spatula, a good spatula. If you want to buy it, I can share the link with you. Just write this one and this one. It's a very old one, right? See that? It's been used, I don't know how many times, but it's been used lots of times. So you can see that. See color, that's a shiny one, and it's been used. So I'm using this one from more than 9 years. It's a good one. If you are a home cook or a professional guy, buy this kind of item. It will save your time making soups. You don't need to strain it. It's a good strainer for the spices. And the bouquet garni, you can use it as a bouquet garni material too. Good one. And yeah, good wine opener. I do have two wine openers. Good one. Every home or every professional guy need to carry these kind of two, and a backup knife for opening your boxes. Right? Don't use your paring knife and chef knife to open boxes. See, I've got a backup with me. It's in my pocket when I'm in kitchen, right? It's in my pocket to open boxes and wine. If I don't drink wine at work. It's just for my backup, a good backup, right? It's a very old one. I use it at home, not at my work, but it's very old one. See, you can see the rust. It's very old. If you are roasting, right? I never shown you this fork for roasting and grilling. So every home need a good barbecue for roast, grilling and barbecue. And I have shown you this, right, whisker? It's not the whisker, it's a saucier whisker. See the balls? It's a good for the sauce or salad dressing. You can make a good salad dressing on this whisker. I bought it from Kohl's. Cost me around $2 for that. Yeah, $2. That's nothing. So it was on Christmas sale. So it's pretty rare, right? And on a good way. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching Chef and Knife, and hope you all have a great day and have a good weekends. Have some barbecue and good beer. Yeah man, good beer. Maybe. Yeah, Ginkgo. I'm going to have some Ginkgo maybe. Thank you.